Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Famous John. Famous John is 15 years old, not far from 16, and he has Down syndrome, and he can ride a bike without training wheels all by himself because he rocks. He wanted to help me with this video series. We're working on teaching bike skills. Now, I know we're teaching bike skills, but we've got a scooter. So I like to make sure my clients, before I go get on a bike, that they can ride a scooter because this is an easier skill. You still have to propel, but the propelling can be just with one leg, so it's easier, and you still have to steer. Often I will start off where I push them and they just have to steer. So why don't we start off with that? Let's go all the way to the end. You got to steer, but I'm going to push you, all right? Good luck to me. Woo! Hey, get it. Hey, wait a minute. Did you forget? You got to stay inside. Come on back over here. Let's start over. Oh, you forgot. Come back here, man. All right, you got to stay inside. Stay inside. Here we go. Ready, set, let's go. Ooh, it's kind of hard to steer because I'm pushing you way too slow. Let's go faster, Amy. Stay in, stay in. Stay in. Nice. Nice. Whoa. So, whoa. I think if I pushed you faster and you hadn't hit a rock, it would have been a lot easier. All right, this time I want you to go down and you do it by yourself because I think it's going to be easier. Yeah,
hold this.
I'm holding this. I'm keeping up.
Let's go.
There are rocks in here, so watch out for them, okay?
Rocks too.
All right. Come on, man. Show us what you got.
Get out of the way.
I'm trying to get out of the way. Oh, yeah, it's so much easier.
Well, it's not easier,
Well, there's rocks there. Watch out. All right, let's go.
Rocks, stay.
I see. Woo. Super. Nicely done. Come back here, John.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready for the bigger challenge?
All right.
All right, you got to go round in the path. Can you do it? Yeah. Way to go, man. In the path. Follow me right here. I love it. Whoa. Now wait a minute. I gotta speed up because you come. Whoa. Slow it down. Stay in the path.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Sounds bad.
Whoa. This way.
It's good.
All right, awesome. Stop. All right, one more thing that I do with a scooter. I like to see if people can balance and ride the scooter. So I'll do it once and then let's see if you can do it.
Easy.
We don't even know what it is yet.
I do.
Oh, but it's easy. All right, so I want you to get going toward the camera and then lift up one leg. What? How come everything is easy for you? Because you're Famous John, that's what I should know. All right, here we go. Let's see.
Really?
Yeah, push. What? That's right, 1, 2, 1, 2. Woo, come back here, Famous John. I love it.
What? To you.
Come on, sweetie.
I'm a show off.
You are a show off. So, these are skills that you can work on to work toward learning how to ride a bike. I hope this is helpful for you and fun for you to watch too, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.